Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the revamped transaction-based reward system and how it works. We have eliminated the need for people to upload receipts and for the admins to validate those receipts. So now what we're going to look at is a customer-facing device and an admin-facing device. As you can see on the left-hand side, the admin device has a tab that the customer device does not have. And this is a QR scanner for the admins to be able to scan the QR codes of the customers. So let's first take a look at the new UI. This is what it looks like. And you can see it's updated. It looks really nice. The background color here is manageable. You'll be able to do that in your back office. But let's take a look at the way that the flow works now. So you can see I've got $22 in this account. The earn and redeem button is on the same button. Okay, so both when you're earning points and rewards and using those rewards are on the same button. Customer walks into a store, place of business, they pull up their app and hit the reward screen and hit the earn or redeem button, and their QR code pops up. The merchant on their side pulls out their phone and hits the QR code scanner, scans the QR code, and now is allowed to either add rewards or take rewards away from the customer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some rewards for this customer. You see the receipt number field here. This is required, so it protects the merchant from validating duplicate receipts, so a customer doesn't come back and use the same receipt over and over again. But this is done usually at the point of sale, so it's pretty foolproof in that sense. The amount field is for when you're adding rewards, so you put the amount spent in here, and this is rewards to redeem. You put whatever you're taking off here. Okay, so let's do a test here. I'm going to add a receipt number, and I'm going to add an amount. 100. Okay, and I will hit the submit button. And then you see on the merchant gets a success message, and the customer gets a push notification, which he's able to share on Facebook as well. You can also incentivize them for doing that. But I'm not going to share this on Facebook at this point. I'm just going to cancel that. And you can see my dollar amount is still the same, but when I come out and come back in and refreshes, now my rewards have gone from 22 to 26. The total earned and total used are also visible here. Okay, you can see this is the receipt I just added. I'm testing this today. And that's it. It's all that's required. There's no submission of receipts. There's no validations required at all. You walk in, you pull out your phone, the merchant scans your QR code and enters an amount spent, and that's it. Nobody touches anyone else's device. There's nothing else that needs to be done. Totally touch-free and COVID-friendly. Okay. The other thing is in the back office. Let's take a look back here. This is the feature. We've set up a bunch of different levels. You can incentivize your customers at different levels. So obviously the people that come in and spend, brand new customers are will be earning less than your best customers that have spent lots of dollars with you over the course of time. So in this example, there's six levels here, starting at zero, between $0 and $1,000. The customers earn 4%. Silver, 1,001 to 49.99, 5%. And you can see the ladder here. So you can also incorporate this in your messaging to your clients that the more they spend, the more they earn, and over time, it can add up quite substantially. Okay, so that's essentially the entire flow. There's nothing else that needs to be done. There's no validations, like I said. Everything is now live and working in your apps. Thanks for watching.